Do you find yourself burping more than usual? It's a sign of digestive issue due to weakening stomach and spleen. Before it manifests into any stomach disorders, you should do this custom routine daily. Clicking teeth 60 times, rotating tongue 3 times, caterpillar 20 times, chi showering 3 times. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can strengthen your digestive system, strengthen your teeth and gums, eliminate blockage in the stomach and spleen meridians, and boost your immune system. To copy this Qigong routine, use the code on the screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. By practicing this routine daily, you will notice a significant improvement in your condition and overall health.